Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make bitter gourd fruit juice. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. This is how a bitter gourd plant looks like, and we have few ripened bitter gourds. Let's pick two of those. Remove the seeds from the bitter gourd. You can dry them and use the seeds for planting new bitter gourd plant. Bitter gourd is packed with several nutrients. It reduces blood sugar levels, decreases cholesterol levels and aids to weight loss. Now chop them roughly. Keep this ready. Clean wash it and add it to a mixer jar. Now to this add 1 piece of ginger. Ginger is a very healthy ingredient. It is loaded with antioxidants, fights against chronic diseases, reduces high blood pressure and good for your heart. Now to this add 1 cup of water and grind the ingredients well. Today I have a cup like this. Filter and add the bitter gourd juice to it. Finally, to this add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Lemon again helps in weight loss. Mix it well. Now a delicious and healthy bitter gourd fruit juice is ready. Serve it right away and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, healthy and an immunity boosting drink. Make it a practice to drink a cup of this healthy bitter gourd fruit juice once in a week for best results. It helps in your weight loss. So do try this bitter gourd fruit juice recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Today I've taken 1 big bitter gourd. Cut both the ends and you can discard them. Now cut it into 4 quarters. You can now easily pull out the seeds. Likewise, keep ready all the 4 pieces. Now make thin slices like this. Make sure you make it very thin. Then cut it into very small cubes. Likewise, cut the entire bitter gourd and keep it ready. Now add it directly to a bowl of water. To this add a tablespoon of salt. Mash it well using your hand so that the bitterness slightly reduces. Let this sit for an hour. After an hour, drain off the water and keep ready the bitter gourd pieces. Now heat a pan. Into this add a teaspoon of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds. When they splutter, add 1 onion finely chopped, few curry leaves and 2 green chilies. Saute well until the onions are transparent. Now go ahead and add the bitter gourd pieces and saute for 5 minutes in low flame. Now to this add 1 tomato chopped and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. The bitter gourd already has a lot of salt in it, so be very careful in adding salt. Mix it well. Now the tomato is well done, so go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of dal powder. Already made a video on how to make dal powder. I'll be giving the video link in the description box. You can check on it. Mix it well. Now to this crack in 2 eggs. Keep the flame on medium and mix it well until the eggs are well done. Make sure the eggs are well spread and evenly cooked. Now after 2 minutes, the eggs and the bitter gourd pieces are well done and ready. So off the flame and sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves. Now a delicious bitter gourd egg stir fry is ready. Serve it hot with some steamed rice and curry and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy, delicious and an immunity boosting recipe. So do try this bitter gourd egg stir fry recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.